Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this video we will explain how to use the arc command in LusoCAD. Arcs can be simply explained as open curves or a portion of the boundary of a circle. In LusoCAD, arcs possess a specific set of values which will be the variables for choosing different subcommands in each situation. These values are points in the circumference, start point, center, endpoint, angle, length, direction, and radius. When we open the arc tool in the ribbon menu, we can see that it's divided in 5 sections. As you might have noticed, some of the subcommands are identical except for the order of values. For example, center, start, end has the same values as start, center, end, just in a different order of input. Let's start by trying out the first one, which is the 3-point arc. This tool will let us draw 3 different points of the arc. These points will always touch the arc circumference. In this example, we draw an arc between these 2 lines. So we specify the start point, the second point, and the end point. Let's now try the rest of the tools. Start, center, end will ask us for the start and end point, like previously, but it will also ask us for the center point, which is different to the second point we selected previously. The center point never touches the arc. It's just the center of the imaginary circle the arc is part of. So we use this square to illustrate the points. This is the resulting arc. Start center angle will in turn ask for an angle in place of the endpoint. If we use the same start and center point but input a 90-degree angle, we can notice we drew the same exact arc. Start center length will ask for a length between the start and end point. We are now in the third section, which will introduce direction and radius. Start, end, angle will replace the center input with an angle. Start, end, direction will replace it with a direction. So we can help ourselves with ortho mode to see the different directions we can draw the arc in. And logically, start, end, radius will prompt us to input a radius to draw the arc. We are going to skip the fourth section, as they are the same values as the second section, just in different order. The last subcommand is called continue, and is useful for when we want to further create an arc tangential to the previous one, so the endpoint of an arc will serve as the start point of another. And just like that, we have completed the arc command. The amount of subcommands might seem overwhelming, but they allow us to create an arc no matter which values we possess. So even if we don't know the radius or the angle, for example, we still can successfully draw the arc. Keep watching to master even more tools and commands in LusoCAD.